Hi and welcome to Studio Vinden. I've been meaning to do this video for quite some time after building an ISO cabinet and wanting to see how it actually sounds. I'm going to use a Jensen C12R mic'd with an SM57, and I've also added the Celestion Greenback, the G12M reissue, which is my favorite guitar speaker. I'll start with the construction of the isocab, and then I'll move on to a comparison where I increase the amount of acoustic material within the isocab to see how it will affect the sound. I recorded all the parts using a DI, and then I reamped them with various settings on my Laney IRT Studio and the pedals. So what are the takeaways from this? First, I'd say that it's perfectly feasible to get a usable guitar tone in an isocab. The dampening is crucial, especially in the mic enclosure in the isocab. The tone will of course be very direct, so if you need a room sound on your guitar, you need to add a reverb or an IR later. Another perk of this is that it's quite affordable. I made the isocab with parts for less than $100. So, thanks for watching. I hope you found it illuminating. If you have any questions regarding my build, or if you just want to share your own isocab experiences, please let me know in the comments below. Cheers!